The Rugby Game by a Disgruntled Worker, a Satire, Part 9. Theo Ascendant is the golden boy of the company. He's on the rise and everyone knows it. He's a company man. With every move he makes, turning into a golden opportunity. His life path number is 1, which in numerology represents strong leadership qualities and a natural inclination towards taking charge. But let's be honest, he's just another ambitious, self-reliant and confident guy who think he's the bee's knees. Meanwhile, the workers of the company, the backbone of the entire operation, are constantly struggling to catch up to the employers. The competition is fierce. But who cares about them, right? As long as Theo keeps shining, everything will be just fine. And the game continues.